Here, now today I am going to explain about the graphical representation of the linear polynomial. So what is linear polynomial? One. So here the degree 1 is కాబట్టి we call it as a linear polynomial. What we call them?
Linear polynomial.
So to draw the graph, we need the coordinates, x and y coordinates. So here first minus 1, 0, 1, 2 we will take. Based on the coordinates, we will extend some points. See here, first of all, y is equals to, what is the value of 2, x here, minus 2, plus 5. 2 to the 5 minus 4 is how much here? It is up to minus 1. Y is equal to 2 into minus 1 plus 5, minus 2 plus 5. 5 minus 2 is how much here? 3. Okay, now if I substitute 0, 2 zeros are 0. If I substitute 1, 2 into 1 plus 5, 2 1 are 2 plus 5 is equal to how much here? If I substitute 2, 2 2 are 4, 4 plus 5 is how much? 9. Here, for instance, take one more number as minus 3. Okay, now minus 3. अब name of y is equal to 2 into minus 3 plus 5. 2 3 are minus 6 plus 5 equals how much here? Minus 5. Right there, 2 into minus 2 minus 4. 5 plus 4 is 1, not minus 1 here. 5 minus 4 is a 1. So minus 1 la question. Okay, na? Now after writing this, write the coordinates area. What are the coordinates here? Minus 2 comma minus 1, minus 1 comma 3, 0 comma 5, 1 comma
7, 2 comma 9, minus 3 comma minus 1.
minus 3 comma minus 1. So for drawing a graph, here very importantly, draw the x-axis and draw the
y-axis.
So after drawing the y-axis, take it as 0. In a graph, very important is scale. మీరు స్కేల్ రాయకపోతే మార్క్స్ రావు. స్కేల్ రాయాలి. స్కేల్ లో x axis 1 centimeter is equals to how much we are taking 1 unit. Y axis is equals to 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. So sometimes you see here సెంటర్ లోనే తీసుకోవాలని ఏం లేదు గ్రాఫ్ మనం ఏది x axis. ఎందుకంటే when you see here all are the positive coordinates y. So point 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. What is it? X-axis. Down, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now what is the first point you say me? Minus 2 comma minus 1. Where is minus 1 x-axis? Minus 2 comma 1. Okay, na? Minus 2 comma 1. Next, minus 1 comma 3. Minus 1 comma 0 comma 5. 1 comma 7. 2 comma 9. One more extra point, minus 3 comma minus 1. Minus 3 comma. Now join the line. Join the line. Minus 5 by 2 comma 0. Why minus 5 by 2? 5 ni half base anta 2.5. Exactly at the 2.5 the graph touch. So for a linear polynomial always you will straight line. Alameda next after the straight line for quadratic polynomial you take parabola. That will come for exam. ఇది ఏంటంటే మీకు లీనియర్ polynomial అంటే for instance of practice అంటే linear polynomial you get a straight line and you have only one answer. Only one answer. This gap, the straight line will meet the x-axis only at one point. That is why you get only one answer, that is minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 అంటే minus 2.5. 5 ni half chesandama 2.5. Exactly the graph will touch at the minus 2.5. This is called as the linear polynomial. What is called, Amma?
Linear polynomial.
In the next class we are going to learn about the quadratic polynomial. Okay children?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.